A bill for the differently abled that provides for 5% reservation in public sector jobs is likely to be tabled for passage in the upcoming session of Parliament this month. The bill covers a variety of issues relating to differently abled people such as physical, mental and multiple disabilities. Ketki Angre has more.
After over a decade-long wait, the specially abled of the country may be empowered soon. Parliament reconvenes one last time before elections, and it seems united to support new legislation for the rights of disabled persons in the country to make it a more inclusive law.
Several conditions, impairments, disabilities were left out of the 1995 Act, and those people are not even considered to be disabled people in India as we speak.
There's hemophilia, thalassemia, learning disability, autism, all of these conditions that were never there in the law. If your disability is not there in the law, you don't have a disability certificate. And then you're left out from all of these that are actually rights for people with disabilities.
The bill cleared by Cabinet last December left many disappointed. Activists want the government to amend the definition of persons with disability as per the UN Convention. They also want to alter the definition of autism spectrum disorder, as they feel the current one is conceptually wrong and incorrect. Rights groups also want the process of certification to be universalized, so that it can be valid across departments and states.
इनकी disability पता नहीं चलती, you can't see it, so they don't recognize us as a disability and they don't understand the disability as such. You know, they think कि अच्छा इनके लिए hearing aids पकड़ा दो और side में बिठा दो, ठीक है इनका सही चलेगा.
India ratified the UN Convention on Persons with Disabilities way back in 2007, yet no new legislation has followed. Now, with such little time left before the next elections, activists are hoping political will follows all-party political consensus. In New Delhi, Ketki Angre for NDTV.